Hi. So where are we?
Trying to find me a home.
I know, and how are we with
We're-
that?
So, we talked with ACOG and we're waiting for a determination of intellectual disability assessment.
Mhm.
They were saying it could take 1 to 2 months. However, I'm asking if they can expedite it. So I'm just waiting on that response. Also, too, we were trying to get a hold of Ms. Silva's mother. We're unable to do that right now, so we're trying to see if we can find the contact information for the previous boarding home and see if she can return there.
Okay.
And if not, then she's provided me with some other boarding homes. I just need to figure out the contact information. But yeah, that's where we're at right now.
All right, how long do you think this will take?
I wish I could say
All right, is there any way I can help? Is there somebody I can call?
you can try to find my
Oh, well, I can't do that much of an investigation work.
Well,
but-
I'm just tired of being stuck in jail, you know, I'm tired of it.
Well,
And
and let me just tell you, the reason why is because you can be released, right?
Mhm.
And you get released, and then you know what's gonna end up happening? We're gonna be right back here.
why to not ever get in trouble again? I learned my lesson. I just want to get time served for all this time going back and forth.
All right, you'll need to speak to your attorney about that, okay?
Is there an option maybe just to Friday? We think maybe by Friday we can get a more concrete understanding of this situation regarding.
I can have her back on Thursday.
Okay.
I'm gonna request the same thing for Mr. Payne, actually.
He had mentioned that I had to get another test done. Yes.
Is that today?
He didn't-
Thursday would be fine, Judge.
But I'm gonna try to see.
All right, Norma, if you recall this for Thursday, please.
I'm gonna see if I can get it. Thursday?
Right, yes.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Mr. Payne could be called. She's familiar with Mr. Payne.
All right, we will bring Mr. Payne up.
Mr. Payne? Payne?
Hello, Mr. Payne.
Yeah,
How are you doing?
all right.
All right. So with Mr. Payne.
So he has a screening today with ACOG and this afternoon.
Okay,
And then they're gonna also, I'm sorry, it's tomorrow morning. They're gonna meet with his brother this afternoon.
okay,
So that way we can get him enrolled in those services. His
Okay.
brother is wanting to have him return home. We also connected him with True Mental Health. So once he's released, then he can establish his Medicaid and benefits again, so that way he can get enrolled in services with them. Corazon is also involved with him as well. So as we were considering as a backup for Town Twin Village, but it may take some time. So if things don't work out with his brother when he's with his brother at the
Mhm.
beginning, then that will be another option.
I love Town Twin Village. I had a chance to do a walkthrough. It's a beautiful place.
It's really nice.
Yeah.
But we're hoping that everything will be okay when he stays with his brother and he'll follow up with his medication and get back with case management.
All right, Mr. Payne, we're gonna bring you back on Thursday since you have an interview tomorrow. So we'll bring you back on Thursday, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And here's the thing. When you're released,
Yes, ma'am.
you need to make sure that you contact people. You just can't disappear, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. You're looking good, though.
Thank you.
Who's here on Ashley Pill?
I was helping with you, but I'm not. Even if I had to. We just, I don't know how to handle it. Let's do it. We rush each other.
All right, so where are we on this case as far as discovery?
I think we're fine on discovery. Today was a plea deadline. We have a plea offer. We are not closing.
All right. How long do y'all expect this trial to last?
It-
All right, Miss Ferguson. I need a 2-day jury trial date. It's Ashley Peel. You can do a jury trial or a bench trial. What I can tell you with a bench trial, that means it comes to me. If the state proves their case beyond a reasonable doubt, I'm gonna find you guilty. If they don't, I'm gonna find you not guilty. Jury trial or bench trial.
We may very well consider a bench trial, Judge.
All right, so
You agree with that, Ashley?
do you want a bench trial or jury trial?
Bench trial, if that expedites matters, yes.
All right, Miss Ferguson, a bench trial.
I think July 7th, Judge.
July 7th?
Sure.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you excuse and make sure you've done an acknowledgement of discovery.
I will.
All right, thank you.
Ms. Peel, have a seat. I'll take a look at it. Michael De Leon. Mr. De Leon. Oh, here. Oh, there he is, in the back.
Thank you.
And Norma, what page is she on?
She's on page 6, Judge.
All right, thank you. Fidencio Gonzalez. Ryan Jordan Westbrook. Can I see those two files, please? Yes, Westbrook and Fidencio Gonzalez.
Here, I think Fidencio Gonzalez already has a warrant on this case.
You mean Fidencio?
Fidencio,
Okay, let me see.
um,
Oh.
Mhm. Yes. Okay.
From Doc.
Is he here?
No.
Okay.
I'm gonna have them on Zoom, Judge. So that you can look at.
Okay,
So 1:30.
yes. Ryan Jordan Westbrook.
The hearing for Ms. Ribby proceeds as a standard guilty plea to the lesser charge of deadly conduct, a Class A misdemeanor. Judge Stephanie Boyd meticulously reviews a plea agreement which carries a sentence of 292 days in county jail. The atmosphere is procedural until Judge Boyd asks the defendant if she has anything to say before sentencing. The defendant admits she was having a bad day, blaming the incident on someone talking to her and a sudden impulse. But it's Judge Boyd's follow-up that destroys any semblance of a routine hearing. Having reviewed the evidence, Judge Boyd reveals the bizarre detail that shifts the entire tone of the proceeding. With a mix of incredulity and sharp judicial inquiry, she asks a question that cuts through the legal formalities. How do you keep a knife in your bra without getting cut? The defendant's casual explanation that it was a switchblade that you pressed to open is met with Judge Boyd's immediate and stern rebuke. Well, you better hope it never opens, she warns, transforming a moment of curiosity into a powerful lesson in consequence and danger. This exchange highlights Judge Boyd's unique ability to connect human curiosity with judicial authority, holding the defendant accountable not just for the crime, but for the reckless method behind it. Judge Boyd then imposes the full sentence, 292 days in the Bexar County Jail with credit for time served, and the $2,000 fine. Her final words are a direct maternal command: make better choices. This hearing encapsulates more than a sentencing. It's a viral moment where courtroom procedure collides with unbelievable reality. Judge Boyd doesn't just punish the action, she confronts the absurdity of the defendant's decision-making, ensuring the lesson is as memorable as it is severe. The defendant's promise to start my business rings hollow against the concrete reality of nearly a year behind bars, all stemming from a knife hidden in the most dangerous of places.